What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that potentially might be a catalyst for this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. And first of all, I want to tell you that I cover three ticker symbols that are directly related to natural gas prices. It is a ticker symbol BOIL, it is a leveraged ETF based on natural gas prices, natural gas spot prices, and natural gas futures. And let's start with the ticker symbol BOIL. I made my previous video right here at this point about 8 days ago, and I've told you that this price action is pretty much sideways, and we can see that the ranges of support and resistances are at around $50 mark and about $74.15 mark. And also I told you that we can predict with enough certainty its next movement, and that is why you can use advanced option strategy like Iron Condor. And let me show you this strategy. As you can see, if you buy put below current price, sell put below current price, and sell call above current price and buy call above current price, you will have this setup. And because of this green territory, you might be profitable from the ranges of $50 all the way up to $58. And definitely you can move this border longer, and in this case your profitability range will be much longer, but it is not necessary to do it. Just use a simple strategy, and you can see that this asset bounced off the $50 mark and had a decent movement of about 10%. So technically this setup is in green, but you have to keep in mind that it is not the only condition that you have to know in order to properly set up your option strategy. Next ticker symbol, let's switch to natural gas futures, and let me show you its price action. As you can see, I connected these three tops and projected to the bottoms, and as you can see, we can conclude that this asset respects pretty good this channel. And let me show you my previous video. As you can see, the price was at $3.145. And it was right here, and my main assumption was that we have to retest this lower border of this channel, and we have to have some kind of reaction. And this reaction happened. It still respects pretty good this channel, and this is how powerful technical analysis is, because you can rely on this type of ranges of support and resistances and channels basically in every situation if you don't know how to properly make a breakdown according, for example, to Elliott wave theory. So, and let me show you another quite interesting pattern. Right here you can see that I connected these several tops and these bottoms, and we have an expanding channel. And in just several minutes I will show you what type of pattern it forms right now, and it is also quite interesting. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you this article that was published on Reuters just yesterday, and it says uptick in LNG demand in Asia, Europe insufficient to drive prices. And the main idea of this article is that despite the higher demand in Asia and Europe, this demand cannot drive the price of LNG higher. And in general, let me show you that this most recent spike was the result. Let me show you this news. If you click on this tiny icon, you can see the latest news regarding certain assets. And Dow Jones Newswires wrote this again about 24 hours ago. Natural gas rallies on prospects of colder weather, market talk. And let me quote you further. Natural gas futures snap a 5-session losing streak on prospects for colder weather ahead, with the December contract sitting up 5.4% at 3.197 MMBTU. Forecasts for colder weather moving into the northern and western US prompted some short covering early in this session. But with the US and European storage levels well supplied and US production near record highs, there is plenty of supply to counteract, says Dennis Kistler at BOK Financial in a note. December natural gas remains technically bearish, he adds. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, in general, I have to say that natural gas spot prices didn't break its major support that was set up at roughly $2.5, or these resistance that was made by connecting these four tops. And my main assumption at this point, when we were approaching to the crucial level of for the price action at $2.831, my main assumption was that if it breaks it to the downside, we will establish lower highs and lower lows. And it happened. And let me show you again, quite interesting pattern, new pattern that this asset is forming right now. If I connect these two tops and project it to the bottoms, you can see that again we have a decent channel that potentially might be quite useful for the technical analysis. And if we even continue this channel to this top, we also have a very good interaction with this previous swing high. And I have to say that for now, this asset reached the median line of this channel, and we have to take a closer look on its price action because it is exactly in the middle of these two ranges. And let me show you what might be the next case. So, you know that the majority of trades, especially on commodities, happens because of algo trades. And let me show you what is the most common algorithm for trading. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high to swing low, as you can see, we have this scale, and we have two major points. One of them is 0.5. Right here, you can see that it is at $3.042, and the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.618 and 0.65. It is in between $3.099 and $3.115. And these two ranges are accumulation points for algorithms, and they have the price target of negative 0.236. This means if it doesn't break this range to the upside and its invalidation point is right here at 0.786, we have a lot of algorithms who bet on its movement to the downside. And that is why you have to be cautious with the next potential leg. Depending on its direction, we might conclude which type of algorithms are winning right now. And guys, for now, I don't want to dig deeper, and I don't want to set up real trades on this ticker symbol, despite that I made a lot of trades right here back in from April till mid of this summer, and my trades was quite successful. All of them you can find in the description below in the playlist, and I was quite successful. The win rate is more than 75%, with the total upside potential of more than 60%, with just two losses that didn't exceed 2 and I guess 4.5%. You can watch my previous videos and prove my words. And for now, I don't want to make a real setup for this asset. I just want to pay attention on the technical analysis, and I want to show you the possibilities and how you should make your own due diligence from the technical standpoint. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on